You know what's crazy? A few years ago, the idea of an electric Silverado sounded completely wrong. Like something truck buyers would never take seriously. But now, the new 2027 Chevy Silverado EV actually looks like a truck people are going to want. And honestly, Chevy might have nailed the formula. Because instead of building something super strange and over-designed, they kept the Silverado attitude people already love and just modernized everything around it. This thing looks clean, mean, expensive. The front end has this smooth futuristic look, but it still carries that tough Silverado personality. The LED lighting gives it a premium vibe, and the black trim mixed with the white paint makes the truck feel almost custom-built straight from the factory. And then there's the size of this thing. It looks huge on the road. The body lines are super sharp, the stance is wide, and the wheels fill out the truck perfectly. It honestly looks more like a high-end performance truck than a work truck. But the rear design might actually surprise people the most. That giant stamped tailgate gives it this bold industrial look, while the taillights keep everything modern and clean. And unlike some EV trucks that look like science experiments, this still feels like a Silverado. That's important, because truck buyers usually don't want something that feels completely disconnected from traditional trucks. They still want toughness, capability, presence, and Chevy clearly understood that. Now performance is where things get interesting. The Silverado EV is expected to have massive torque, strong towing numbers, quick acceleration, and enough range to actually compete with the biggest names in the truck world. And let's be honest, instant electric torque in a full-size truck is going to feel insane. Imagine pulling onto the highway in something this big and it launches almost silently like a sports car. That's going to catch a lot of people off guard. And honestly, this truck feels less like an experiment and more like Chevy showing where trucks are headed next. Because whether people like EVs or not, trucks like this are starting to look impossible to ignore.